Hi guys, welcome to Johnston Motors. Super excited to show you all three of these Cherokees that we're going to have coming up for sale. They should all be up for sale by the end of this week actually, so beginning of July. I think today is the 2nd. We got see if I can keep these in order here. We got a 2000, a 97, and a 2001. And what's really cool is these two here on the ends are kind of brother-sister cars, if you will. We've had 60th anniversary and Freedom editions before, but we never had them at the same time in the same color. So these are both silver metallic. This is 60th anniversary 2001 model. I'm probably going to do that a lot in this video. And then this one over here, you guys saw this one in our video we did last week. It's the 2000 Freedom edition. These are all 4x4. They're all rust-free, clean history, clean Carfax, clean title. Leak-free. They're totally good to go. Zero issues. Yeah, make sure you check out our website for more information on all the details and all these. But let me just do a quick walk around. I'll start with this 97. This 97 is kind of an odd duck. It's gunmetal blue. 97 is the first year of the update of these. But the reason why this one's a little odd is it's actually an SE. But it's a strange SE because most SEs are bare bones, no options on them at all. This one is like an SE that somebody checked all the boxes on, which is kind of weird, kind of different. Like it's got the inline 6, obviously, it's 4x4. It's got factory skid plates on the bottom. It's got a full-size spare. And I looked at the build sheet on it, and all that stuff came from the factory. So it's got the gauge clustering. A lot of SEs don't have the gauges. Anyways, everything, AC blows ice hot. I mean cold, not hot. You don't want it cold in the hot, and you don't want it hot when it's cold. But AC works great. The heat works great. Obviously, it's rust-free. This is actually a California car. It came out of California and spent the first half of its life in California, second half of its life here in Dallas. This is actually a one-owner vehicle, which is awesome. And they contacted us, asked if we wanted it. Come out of Plano, Texas. Everything works on it. 4x4 works great. It's just what's kind of neat about it is if you're looking for a good off-road or something like that, if you come over here on the passenger side, you can see it actually has manual locks and manual windows, which is pretty nice. Pretty standard on an SE model, but I like manual stuff because it's less to break. Is that door locked? Let me unlock it for you. I'm locking our camera lady out. I'll let you guys hear it. Engine sounds great, no knocks, no lifter chatter or anything like that. Carpets are in pretty good shape. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, she runs like a top. She runs great. Headliner's good. It does have these vinyl seats, which is an SE thing. If you wanted to go cloth, you could either have these recovered or you could probably find some seats out of a sport model to throw in. But yeah, pretty neat. I'll show you guys the engine bay. Obviously, it's been detailed, cleaned up. We always clean our Cherokees right before we put them up for sale. Engine runs great. No issues, no exhaust leaks, no oil leaks. We've gone in and resealed the engine, rear main seal, valve cover, oil filter adapter, all the usual oil leak spots. She runs cool. It's been really hot recently here in Texas, 100 degrees. I've put about 200 miles on this car, no heating issues at all. Should be a great Cherokee for someone. Make sure you like, tag, share, all that good stuff. Our page on Facebook. Once again, johnstonmotorsales.com. You can reach us anytime, 940-808-2382. Y'all have a great day.